Many people suffer from intestinal inflammation. This can cause pain, bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. But did you know that drinking just one special cup every day can help reduce this inflammation naturally? In this video, we will explore how 1 cup can support your gut health. Intestinal inflammation happens when the lining of your gut becomes irritated. This can be due to poor diet, stress, infections, or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and ulcerative colitis. Inflammation makes digestion difficult and reduces nutrient absorption. Modern medicine provides treatment, but natural remedies can also help. Many herbs and drinks contain anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking 1 cup daily can soothe the intestines, reduce irritation, and promote healing. One of the most powerful healing drinks is a simple herbal tea. The best ingredients are turmeric, ginger, and chamomile. Turmeric reduces inflammation, ginger improves digestion, and chamomile relaxes the intestines. Together, they make a natural gut-healing cup. To prepare this drink, Step 1. Boil 1 cup of water. Step 2. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Step 3. Add a few slices of fresh ginger. Step 4. Add 1 teaspoon of chamomile tea or dried chamomile flowers. Step 5. Let it steep for 5 minutes, then strain. Step 6. Drink warm once a day. When you drink this cup daily, inflammation in the intestines slowly reduces. It improves digestion, decreases bloating and gas, and supports healthy bowel movements. Over time, your gut feels lighter, calmer, and stronger. For best results, combine this drink with healthy lifestyle changes. Eat more fiber-rich foods, avoid processed sugar, drink enough water, and manage stress. Small daily habits make a big difference for intestinal health. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being. Drinking 1 cup every day is a simple but powerful step. Start today and give your intestines the care they deserve. Remember, small daily actions lead to big health improvements.